Hi traders, in this live trading session video, we're going to be looking at how do we actually capture the tops and bottoms using time frame correlation, and also what is the basis for us capturing this move on euro yen where it is actually moving towards our target, which is the green line over here. So I'm going to be talking about this and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu on here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders on the Aussie dollar daily chart, and what I really want to be talking about in this session, as I said, is how do we actually capture these tops and bottoms using time frame correlation. In fact, we're going to be releasing very shortly videos on the 7 essentials you must know for consistent swing trading. So keep in tune for that. We'll be elaborating on these principles much more. So for now, let's take a look at Aussie dollar on the daily time frame, and then very shortly then I'll also explain to you what is the basis for us taking on the euro yen. Okay, so let's go on to there now. So over here, as you can see, the reason for taking the euro yen trade based on the principle of capturing tops and bottoms, let's analyze this on Aussie dollar first. Remember one thing, traders, especially in swing trading, very important is for us to identify the bottoms and tops, and that's what we've quantified here at Master the Markets using the SMI indicator.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Now, in terms of the Aussie dollar at the moment, it's a top to bottom move. As you can see, the top got confirmed by this bar over here, and that's when it came in. And that's what we got, and it's essentially in a downtrend at the moment. Okay, that's on the daily time frame. However, traders, if you go on the weekly time frame, if you see, at the moment it's actually a uptrend as of now, right? It's an uptrend. So if you look, it was a downtrend before, and over here it then took out its high, and then it became an uptrend, and then it retraced. Now here's the key point, right? What I said for capturing bottoms and tops using time frame correlation. This is on the weekly time frame. Remember, if I want to capture, if I believe that in this uptrend over here, this is going to bounce off this level here, and then it's going to then move on the upside, and at some point confirm its bottom according to your parameters. That's why it's very critical to quantify your top and bottom. Now, once you've quantified that, and over here we have done that, so when the dot comes, I will know that this bottom has been confirmed. As of now, this is what we call a potential bottom, isn't it not, traders? Because it's the lowest point out of this entire move. Now, if I do want to capture this, and I believe that it's got a high probability of becoming a confirmed bottom, and it's going to shoot up more further in the week and confirm at some point this bottom here, what I can do actually, traders, is because it's an uptrend on the weekly, I can look to capture this potential bottom on the daily time frame. And how we do it here at Master the Markets is that we wait. We don't take this top to bottom move because I'm looking to capture a bottom on a weekly time frame for that to confirm. So what I will do is I'll wait for this daily bottom at some point for the blue dot to come in. Okay, so when the blue dot comes in, then I can take a position, and my stop loss can be for the weekly potential bottom, which is here, which will correlate with the weekly. Okay, so even if I were to draw a line over there, if I were to draw a line here, right, so that's on the blue line there, if you go on the weekly, you will see that that is my potential bottom. You see, now you understand. So it's a solid framework. right? It's not that it is the holy grail or whatever, but it's a solid framework from which you can then base your solid, sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategies on for consistent execution. So that's on the Aussie dollar. Okay, that's on the Aussie dollar over here. Very soon I'll go to Euro Yen as well and show you what we're doing over there.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Now, in the other one over here, traders on Euro dollar is pretty much doing something similar. If you look, daily is an uptrend. It just did a top to bottom over here, right? So that's that. But we're looking for a bounce off and for that to confirm at some point. So, however, if I look on the weekly as well, let's take a look at the weekly. Now you can see that this is a potential bottom. It's gone up for quite a few number of weeks, but it still hasn't confirmed this potential bottom. Now, this is my potential bottom because it's the lowest point of this entire move, isn't it? Very logical. That's how we can become a bottom, right? This can't be your bottom, is it not? Because its low has been taken out. So that's your potential bottom there. And at some point when that confirms, so before that confirms, I can actually get onto my daily time frame and I can look to get onto that move. Okay, if you had looked at that analysis much more earlier using volume as well, which is what the guys, our friends at Trade Guider does, you can then combine both those methodologies and capture those bottoms on an earlier time frame before you it confirms on a higher time frame. So in essence, what we're doing over here, traders, is that if you take a look, one more thing I will share with you is that what we're actually doing is that this potential bottom here on the daily, the potential bottom on the weekly time frame, right, now is actually at the moment is a daily confirmed bottom. If it keeps holding, then what will then happen is, traders, it will become a weekly confirmed bottom, is it not? So the daily can become a weekly confirmed bottom at some point, and you're entering it earlier using time frame correlations. And this is what we're going to be delving in deeper in the next part of the video series as we post it over here on our Master the Markets Trading View channel, as we go along on the 7 essential steps for consistent swing trading. So stay in tune for that one. Gold, on the other hand, traders, what you can see over here is uptrend, very nice clean uptrend, top to bottom move at the moment. If I go on the weekly time frame, I can start to see that that bottom has already been confirmed over here. Is it not, traders? Yeah, that bottom has already been confirmed over here. Now, is it going to continue? If you believe that it's going to continue in that, then all I can do is I can go on to my daily, and when that bottom gets confirmed at some point, then I can take it on a move up. And that's exactly the rationale what we did in capturing this euro yen move over here, because you can see on the daily time frame it's an up, right? So it's an upward trend. It came back down, retraced, confirmed over here where my blue rectangle is, and at that point we took a position on the blue line here, blue horizontal line here on the close. You can see that on the weekly as well. If you take a look, traders, the bottom has been confirmed, isn't it? Just about 2 weeks ago. So I'm taking a continuation trade here for that bottom to top to carry on in it alignment with its trend. So that's the whole basis what we are doing here. The only reason why it looks pretty simple is because we've done the very essential step in swing trading, which is to quantify your tops and bottoms. So that's the first thing that we have done, from where you can derive a lot of useful information and help you towards your consistent execution. Okay. Alright, traders, I guess that's pretty much quite a lot of information on this particular video. Just one thing I just do want to mention, for those of you who are not familiar with the terminologies or whatever, I would highly recommend our Trader Starter Pack video series. So if you go on the traderstarterpack.com, that will give you to the 5 free video series. Highly recommend, whether you're a beginner or professional intermediate traders, please highly recommend this, because a lot of institutional quant traders, even, they watch these videos and they learn quite a lot, even a lot of professional intermediate traders as well. Highly recommend that. It comes from our 38 years of cumulative trading experience at our team here in Master the Markets. We've been going on since 2010. Alright traders, I guess that's pretty much that from on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.